This is a weight machine, digital weight machine for the human being. It has no power. Now I'm going to check the battery. Battery got 2.6 volt. Need to change the battery first. This is a new battery. I am going to use the new battery. This is new battery. New battery got 3.2 volt. 3.2 volt. Okay. Changing the battery. Also no power. No power. So I am going to try to fix the battery again. Maybe lose contact. No lose contact maybe. I am going to open the machine. Inside got the circuit. I am going to check inside what has inside. Need to open full. Without opening the full body, cannot open the machine. For this case I am opening the full body. This machine for only human being, not for the goods. Okay, I open ready. Look inside. These four are weight loader. These four are weight loader. Now I open the main system cover. Look, someone repair before. Here got problem. The wire. Look, this wire gets problem. And the battery case also repair. Here maybe what has, I don't know. Need to repair the wire first. Need to change the wire. I am going to change this wire. This wire inside got 4 wire. It has 4 wire. I need to change the wire first. I am going to see the wire condition. The wire waller gets the problem. The wire gets the problem. Need to change the wire. I am going to change the wire. I am cutting from here and need to solder nicely. I got 4 color. I got 4 color. First I am soldering the red one, red color. After then the copper color one. This one the copper color. Now this one is the green color. This one the green color one. last have the blue color. Last have the blue color. This is the blue one. Soldering ready. Need the tape. Need to make separate the 4 wire. For this case I am using the tape. Now the wire fixed ready. Need to connection with this circuit. Need to connect with this circuit. I am going to connect one by one. I am changing the wire. One by one I am changing the wire. First one the blue color, then the green, with the green one, now red and the copper color. This on the copper and this on the red color wire. I change this wire. This on the switch. Now let's check it's working or not. Still now not working. Still now not working. The display cannot come. Display not showing any voltage. Okay, any digit. I am going to check the voltage. Here got. The battery is okay. Need to change the battery socket. I am going to use this wire to make the battery socket. I am using this wire. This wire will connection with the battery. Now I am going to check. Let's check now the voltage showing. Okay. Now it's 3 voltage. Now I'm going to check the display. The display is still now not coming. This display showing nothing. I am fixing the cover to check. Not showing any display. I am pressing but not showing any display. Need to open the circuit, main circuit. This circuit need to open. This is screw gates problem. For this case I am using this cutter. The screw almost spoiled ready. Now I'm going to open the circuit. Look, so dirty circuit. Now I'm cleaning the circuit using thinner. And I'm fixing the circuit again after cleaning. Now look, the display comes ready but half getting problem. If I'm going to fix the wall screw, I'm checking the display comes up. Display spoiled ready. Look, the display spoiled ready. Maybe it cannot repair. If display got problem, the display cannot repair. Then I got carbon. If carbon gets problem, then it cannot repair. I am trying to fix this body and check. Let's check. Need the full body. Look, the display coming half side. This machine cannot be repair for the display. If display can change, then can be repair, but I don't have the display. For this case, it cannot be repaired. I'm going to try again. Maybe it cannot repair, but I am trying. If I am lucky, then can be repaired. I open the display. The display condition is not good. This is the carbon connection. This is the cable. All kinds of cable. I'm cleaning this part. Connection section. This one also cleaning. This on the one kinds of carbon rubber. It's a connector with the circuit and the display. If now can, then I am lucky. If cannot, then I am unlucky. If it got same problem, then cannot be repaired because the display cannot repair. Need to change. fixing the cover. With the main cover, let's check. No, it's showing half. It's display showing half. So this display can be reviewed. I need to change the display. This machine cannot review for the display issue. Thanks for watch.